Morning guys, Mel here out of the AOK Healing Centre, Emerald Bank. Just a reminder guys that we've got Sharon's workshop on Saturday the 18th of January, so that's 12:30 to 4:30, and there's another one on Sunday the 19th, 9:30 to 1:30. So this is all about looking at what you want for the year ahead, you know, where you see yourself heading, looking back at last year and, you know, working out sort of things that didn't work for you, you know, changing things up this year so you get good results with manifesting and all that sort of stuff. Good morning Judy, how are you? And yeah, so it's going to be a lot of fun. I really, you know, stress to you guys, if you want to do this, just get on board because it's such a great thing to do, and you don't realise, you know, when you have someone you know, giving you suggestions on how to change things and that, you think about things that you've done and you think, oh yeah, like I know myself, you know, working with Michelle, just, you know, chatting and stuff, and I look at things differently, you know, how I used to look at things. So I would really urge you guys to do this. I'm going to be doing it. I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, you know, it's all about positivity and bringing good things into your life. So it's $55, and that includes light refreshments. You don't need to bring anything. Everything's supplied for you. It's going to be a lot of fun. Sharon's great fun. Judy's saying she loves this course. See, so yeah, Judy did it. Was it last year, Judy, you done it? So yeah, it was great fun. So if you would like a spot in that, give us a call and we can book you in. Our phone number is 0358231544, and yeah, give us a ring and we can sort that out for you. We are open 7 days a week, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. If anyone's after any salt today, it's a little bit cooler, give me a call and I can pop you in there at some stage. Alright, so I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Enjoy this cool morning, it's beautiful outside, and yeah, give me a call and we'll book you in for Sharon's course. Alright guys, have a great day. Oh, Judy's saying she's done it for 2 years in a row, so there you go. So if you come back, it must be worth coming back for. So I really, yeah, I'm looking forward to it actually. Alright guys, enjoy the day and I will see you soon.